Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the power cord on your stove. The reason why you might have to do this is because your stove just isn't getting any electricity to it at all. For this repair, all you'll need is a Phillips head screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the stove we're going to be using for this repair. It's a Whirlpool. Keep in mind, yours at home might be a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same techniques should still apply. The first thing you want to do is make sure you turn your gas off. Alright, so to take our gas line off, I'm going to use one pair of channel locks, and I want to hold on to this part right here. Now I'm going to use our other pair of channel locks in order to grab the line, and I'm going to twist both of them in opposite directions. That way we're not spinning endlessly while we're trying to loosen it. Now I've got that loose, I can undo it by hand the rest of the way. So now we're going to turn the stove around. So you can see right here, there's a grounding wire going from the power cord into the stove. So we're going to start by unscrewing that. Take the wire out, and I'm just going to leave that grounding screw right in that spot right there. So now, as you can see, our power cord goes into the side of the appliance right here, and that's where it's plugged in, and we're going to have to unplug it to remove the rest of the power cord. So we're going to unscrew all these screws here. And as we unscrew this, just be careful that it doesn't fall down. Just let that down nice and gentle. And you can see here, it's popped off a little bit, and we should have enough space to reach in here to unplug the power cord. So this is what we have to unplug from the power cord. So we're going to squeeze on the tabs on the side and take that out. There's also a clip on this black plastic piece right here, which we're going to have to squeeze in order to get the power cord out. Push in on that, and now we'll just push the rest of it out. Now, grab your new OEM replacement power cord. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. So now we're going to take our power cord, we're going to slide this end through the hole first, and now we're going to just get this circular piece in there and push it in till it clicks into place. There we go. Now we'll plug the two cords in together. And that's clicked into place, and we'll close that back up. Now I'll retrieve the grounding screw, and I'll put that back through the grounding wire and screw it all the way back in. And now we'll screw our side panel back in. And once we get to this spot, you're going to line your support back up again and screw that into place. And now our final screw on the bottom support. There we go. Now we can turn our stove back around and hook it back up. So now we're going to reconnect our stove to the gas line. In case your adapter is spinning inside, I want to get another pair of channel locks just to hold that in place. And then you can tighten it the rest of the way. There we go. And now we can turn our gas back on. And your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching. And please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.